Today we'll be making this incredible sandwich with juicy and crispy pork belly, topped with a quick pickled spicy red cabbage and a rich Dijonnaise. Let's get to it. First, preheat your oven to 430 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. Now to our pork belly. This fatty cut of meat has a deep rich flavor and can be cooked in so many ways. Today I'll show you the quick way to a crispy pork belly in less than an hour and a half. Make sure that the skin on the pork belly is completely dry. Then use a sharp knife to cut parallel lines across the skin and into the fat, about a half an inch apart. Make sure not to cut down into the meat, as the juices from the meat will make it hard for us to get the crispy skin we're looking for. Now, find a roasting pan with a rack. Add some coarse salt, just to cover, pepper, and some rosemary. Pork and rosemary just love each other. Get your pork belly in there and cover the meaty sides with the spices, but don't get it on the skin. By the way, if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe for more videos like this. Next, add whatever leftover vegetables you got in the fridge. You can skip this if you like, but it will make a great broth for your next gravy. Get some olive oil on the skin and rub it in there. Add a generous amount of coarse salt and show that pork belly a good time by giving it a massage. Try and rub the salt in between the cuts of the skin. Put the pork in the oven for 25 minutes. Next up is our pickled spicy red cabbage. Start by chopping a chili. This one is quite mild, but feel free to spice it up. Add some honey. You can also use sugar if you prefer. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. And a cup of water. Give it a quick stir and set it aside. Now for our red cabbage. We'll only use half of it. Slice the cabbage as thinly as you can. This is really my best try, but it will work. Mix together and let it rest until we're ready to put our sandwich together. After 25 minutes, reduce the oven temperature to 365 Fahrenheit or 185 Celsius. Meanwhile, let's put our Dijonnaise together, which as the name implies is simply mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, pepper, and some tarragon. Give it a quick mix and done. After around 40 minutes, our pork is done and it's time to get it out. Look how beautiful this is. And listen to that crispy skin. Now, let's see how it looks inside. And there you have it. Juicy crispy pork belly in under an hour and a half. You could easily chop this up and use it in a taco or just serve it as it is with your favorite side dish. This is going to be so good in our sandwich. Oh, we can have that lying around there. Let's get down to business. Add some Dijonnaise to the bottom half of your bun. Get some of that amazing pork belly on it. Top with our red cabbage. I'll make sure to add the recipes in the description below, and while you're there, please give this video a thumbs up. A couple of pickles. And don't be greedy like me. Give it some of the Dijonnaise. And done. Please enjoy And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.